It looks like there is a parade in town today. I wonder who is playing the pipe.
Hello, Bob the Train.
What a pleasant surprise, Mr. P. Are you taking part in a parade playing a piper?
No, Bob. These are my friends for show and tell in your class today.
Wow, Mr. P. That is awesome. The kids are going to love it.
Shall we go then?
You take the lead, Mr. P, and I will follow you with the rest of your friends.
Perfect!
Hey, kids! Please welcome our special guest who loves to play, Mr. P.
Hello, Mr. P.
Hello, kids. Are you ready to play and learn something new today?
Yes, please.
Perfect! Today, Mr. P is going to introduce you to his friends who start with the letter P.
Yes, I am. Presenting my playful friend, the panda.
Ooh.
Next in line is a pumpkin. Pen.
What a lovely pink color pen you have, Mr. P.
I love pink. Now for my favorite food, pizza.
Yummy!
And finally, my talkative pet parrot. Hello, kids.
Ooh, that was perfect, Mr. P. Could you go through it once again, please?
With pleasure, Bob. Panda. Pumpkin. Pen. Pizza. Parrot.
Thank you so much, Mr. P, for making it all play and fun. Now, shall we teach the kids how to write the letter P?
Certainly. Let's do it.
Polly, your name begins with a P.
Yes, Bob. It does. I'm ready, Bob.
Start at the top and draw a standing line going down. Now go back to the top and do a curved line around that stops at the middle of the standing line. Perfect!
That was easy and fun. Can I try it again?
Of course! Let's do this again, kids.
I'll start at the top, draw a standing line going down. Then I will go back to the top and do a curved line around that stops at the middle of the standing line, like this. That's the letter P.
Bravo! I'm proud of you, kids. Thank you once again, Bob. This has been a perfect day.
You made it play and fun, Mr. P. I think I have the perfect song for you. Would you like to hear it?
Ooh, yes, please!
Who is my best pal? Pop-pum, pop-pum, pump. Who likes the color pink? Pop-pum, pop-pum. That is Mr. P. Pop-pum, pop-pum. Yes, you, Mr. P. Pop-pum, pop-pum. Oh, look! There's your parrot! Who's his favorite pet? Pop-pum, pop-pum, pump. That would be a parrot. Pop-pum, pop-pum. You're cool, Mr. P. Pop-pum, pop-pum. You're fun, Mr. P. Pop-pum, pop-pum. Who loves his pizza? Pop-pum, pop-pum, pum. Who's met a panda? Pop-pum, pop-pum. That would be Mr. P. Pop-pum, pop-pum. Yes, yes, Mr. P. Pop-pum, pop-pum. Pop-pum, 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 pop-pum. Pop-pum, 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 pop-pum.
Thank you, Bob. I would love to come back again soon and play with the kids.
It will be a pleasure to see you again, Mr. P. Bye, kids. We will be back soon with another letter of the alphabet and loads of fun.
Goodbye, kids. Fun and play always.